Good morning, Brandeis Marin. Good morning, Lower School. Good morning, community. Today is Tuesday, the 28th of April, and it is a glorious day. The sun is shining. I hear the birds. I'm sitting in my garden, and it's just beautiful. I'm going to do a series of videos on a topic for you, something that I think is very interesting, and I think you do too, because I remember when we were together in the classroom how you really liked learning this, and that's the operation of multiplication. We're going to start with some definitions and some things that may seem easy or review to you, but they might be new to some of you. And then I'm going to teach you some, I don't like to use the word trick when I'm talking about math, so I'll use the word strategy. I'm going to teach you some strategies for remembering and learning your multiplication times tables. So I've just used two words, multiplication and times. Believe it or not, both those words mean what I'm talking about today. So we can call it multiplication or times. And one way to think of it is it's like adding the same number over and over again. It's a very fast way to do it. Once you learn it, you will save yourself a ton of time, and I'm all about that. So, for instance, at the bottom of my board, 7 times 2 equals 7 equals 7 twos, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, and I need to write that again, equals 14. 7 times 2 equals 14, or adding 2 7 times, it also equals 14. It's a faster way to do it when you know it. So we're going to talk about how we're going to learn it, or how you might have learned it already. One really great way that I find is to make a house. We do this for some addition facts and subtraction facts. We also do it for multiplication facts. So I drew a house. It's a kind of a silly house. And this is called the twos house. And I put the X, which is the multiplication sign, at the top of the house at the roof line. And then I drew 9 lines. We call this 9 lines. But actually, if you use your imagination, and this is a house, these are the 9 bedrooms in the house. So they are the one, I'm gonna label them. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9. These are all the bedrooms. I'm gonna make that 8 look a little bit more like an 8. Um, and then what we do is we write the X, which stands for multiplication, in each of the bedrooms. And then to complete the equation, or this part of it, we're going to take the name of the family living in the house. Those are the twos. 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, 8 times 2, 9 times 2. Those are the bedrooms in the house. So it's easy for us to remember the order of the facts. And now we're going to write the answers. So 1 times 2, and you might want to say it with me, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, and 9 times 2 is 18. And then we can do a lot of things to memorize these facts and to learn them. And then we can erase them and we can remember the answers in order. That would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18. And if we remember where they were in what bedroom, that's a good way to remember the facts. It's twos are maybe a little easy because it's something like um, um, doubles in addition. But when we get to harder facts, this bedroom method really helps. I wish I had more time to really, really teach you this, but we'll be spending some time talking about multiplication over the next couple of weeks. So I'm going to leave you with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. the two's answers in the two's house, and just a little something about multiplication, that we are adding the same number over and over again, and it's a faster way to do it. So I wish you joy today. I wish you fun. Get out in the sunshine. You will enjoy it a lot. I know that. And I will see you. I won't see you tomorrow because it is Yom Ha'atzmaut, and we'll be together as a whole community. But I will see you on Thursday, and we will talk more about multiplication. Okay, take good care.